If you own an M1101 or M1102 light or heavy tactical trailer, you will find that it comes with a standard military Humvee 12-pin connector. If you're going to use your trailer for civilian use, you're going to want either a 4 or the standard 7-pin. So in this video I'm going to show you how to easily convert from the 12-pin to the 7-pin. Follow me as we go underneath the trailer. On the driver's side of your M1101 or M1102 trailer, you will have a junction box right here, and behind the junction box is where all the plug connectors are located, as well as the ground. So the first thing to do, locate your junction box. Secondly, pull out a few of these. Typically, these aren't always in any particular order. I put them in order for simplicity. Pulling out 3 of them. Now, each of them are marked by a number as well. So, you will want to remove 3 of these. One is 22460, 22461, and 21. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I've loosened them already so they're ready to go. Move these connectors. So, don't need these anymore. Tuck them away. And I have a 7-pin connector here. It'd be the same if it was 4 or 7-pin. This happens to be the Expedition Supply 7-pin connector that I've run already through the frame. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that through the frame here. So we want to connect to this junction box these 3 plus 4 is ground. Now typically, regardless of which wiring harness you get, ours or another one, they're roughly the same thing. You're going to have a green wire, which is your right turn stoplight. You're going to have a red or a yellow, which is your left turn or stoplight. You're going to have a brown, which is your tail marker or running lights. And you're going to have a white, which is your ground, which goes to existing ground. So, we're going to want to marry these 3 up through the junction box and the white with the ground. So first we're going to go with the green, which is the right, goes to the military 22-460. So 22-460. 22-460. It's pretty light. It's 21. $22,460. So go ahead and connect those. Make sure the seal is good. You get a nice watertight seal there. The next would be the yellow or the red, which is the left, and it goes to 22-461. So look for that particular number. Might not be readable, but there it is right there. Now I made it easy by removing these first. Now if I was to remove them now, it would be quite difficult. So the brown, which is the tail marker, or running lights goes to number 21. So those are all the connections that we need. The last thing for this to work is the ground. Ground goes to this pin here connected to the trailer frame. I've already loosened it, so I'm going to have to do it by hand. But you'll need a 3/8 inch socket or wrench to get this removed. And I'll just place it on the end there. And back into the frame. So we just converted the military 12 pin to a civilian 7 pin connector, which is ready to connect to any standard civilian truck or SUV for hauling. I wouldn't worry about any of these other connectors, and we'll tuck these in later on to kind of get them out of the way and make it a little cleaner. And if you have any questions, comments, please do so below.